Hey everyone, Amy at Waters Garden Center, talking to you today about the Sunburst honey locust. So you've seen these all over town. They came in bright yellow with their spring leaves and they just look amazing. So wonderful things about this tree. First of all, they are a nice big shade tree, especially if you're in a windy area. Chino, Palden, Prescott Valley. These are wonderful trees for that. They have smaller leaves, and instead of tearing, the wind will go right through them, which is a great thing for you guys out there. Also, in the fall, the leaves fall off, they blow away. So it's not a lot of cleanup involved here. Now, unlike traditional locust trees, the greatest thing about the sunburst honey locust is that it has two wonderful qualities. So despite its shape, its color, and all that, it does not produce seed pods and it is thornless, almost to the point of 100% thornless. So that's wonderful. But it still does have great other qualities in the color too. So like I said, it comes in the bright gold. It'll mature to a deeper green over the summer, and then in the fall, it's gold again. So it's always got something beautiful going on, and it does have a really cool irregular shape. It's not like a perfect column or a perfect circle or anything like that. It has a beautiful irregular shape to it. Again, sunburst honey locust, you should have one in your yard. And if you like what you saw, please like and subscribe. Thank you.